How far can we make it with one tire less?
As far as it'll go until it blows.
In 1941, 3 adventurers completed the Pan American Highway in a wildly unsuitable car. Now, we're retracing their steps in an even more unsuitable choice, a school bus. We bought the bus, spent a month building it, and now, along with a motley crew of friends, hitchhikers, and strangers, we're setting out to explore how the cultures, landscape, and the journey itself have evolved over the past 75 years. If successful, we'll be the first to navigate the full length of the Pan American Highway in a school bus. There's no support crew, just us, our bus, and the wildest adventure we've ever attempted. Fucking keep going. Yes, sir.
God damn it.
Can't be that far from civilization if you got random friendly. Oh, you gonna lead us to civilization? We have a burst tire. Can you help?
Think about it.
10-10 would butt again.
Yeah, it's an easy enough job to find the mechanic and then on with the day as planned, but we'll have to cross each bridge as we get there. How are you doing, Kira?
Doing good. Had a lovely morning. Sucks about the tyre, but we'll fix this. Be fine.
Buscamos neumáticos de camión.
If we carry up along this road, then we'll find a tyre shop with a tyre outside that says shop. These are guys. We're coming to find them.
Just mean it's just down this way?
Can we go ask or?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
How far can we make it with one tire less?
As far as it'll go until it blows. I will be famous.
First step. Like a morning thing.
Or even maybe looking into getting security just through there.
Yeah.
Just through Guayaquil, if it turns out it's really expensive.
Yeah.
Do you think security would draw more attention to us though?
Would it just be 2 guys on a bus?
I imagine it'd be 2 guys
Yeah,
with
just
guns that
armed.
come on the bus.
Yeah. You know how you see the guys with the shotguns?
Yeah.
Like, I imagine it'll be different.
I'm excited.
Wondering how my pain has caused your pain didn't mean to share. Now I've just been looking into that deep hole instead. I'm here, don't take it away. I can't, just tell me to stay. And I called your name. Silently, couldn't breathe. 'Cause I want you to know my pain, how I feel. Oh, you don't know how I feel. Oh, you don't know how I
¿Cierto? No, todo el carro. Todo el carro, todo. Por kilo.
Kilo? 11,000.
Claro, mucho. Mucho peso.
Some of these things I'd rather not.
So we got to the boat eventually, and the guy reckoned we could fit on the boat, but on the other side there was a bridge, and he was not confident the bus wouldn't collapse it. So we have to go back down the windy country off-roady road, which so far so good.
And I called your name. Silently, couldn't breathe. 'Cause I want you to know my pain, how I feel. Oh, you don't know 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 how I feel.
So Max, what's going down?
So we've been going up and down the mountains in Colombia. I think we are about to set a new altitude record for the bus. If we go up another 300 feet, I think we're about 2.5, maybe 3K high. 9,120 is the current record on the way to Medellin. And looks like we're just going up and up and up. So far Babs is doing well. Touch all the wood. I'll go turn it on.
I have become a mud person now. Mud queen. This is my home.
my god.